Now, after Prime Minister's scathing attack, now Mamata Banerjee has given a reaction. She says that she wasn't targeting institutions per se, but specific individuals.
তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের ভোটের দুদিন আগে মুর্শিদাবাদে যে দাঙ্গাটা করিয়েছিলেন তার হোতা ছিলেন উনি, আমি সেই জন্য বলেছিলাম এবং বলে যাব আর বসতে দেওয়া হবে না। ভোটের দুদিন আগে দাঙ্গা করিয়ে দেবে, তাহলে আমি ছেড়ে দেবো? আপনারা কি মনে করেন দাঙ্গা করলে ছেড়ে দেওয়া উচিত? মন্দির ভাঙলে ছেড়ে দেওয়া উচিত না মসজিদ ভাঙলে ছেড়ে দেওয়া উচিত না জাহের থান ভাঙলে ছেড়ে দেওয়া উচিত না বাজি থান ভাঙলে ছেড়ে দেওয়া উচিত?
Shreya, who's this Kartik Maharaj and what exactly is his role that Mamata Banerjee is talking about?
Kartik Maharaj happens to be a monk associated with the Bharat Sevashram. Now remember, Mamata Banerjee first says yesterday that these organizations like ISKCON, Ramakrishna Mission, Bharat Sevashram, they're politically influenced. Order is coming from Delhi. They're working under Delhi's instruction. They're not letting TMC agents sit inside. This was what Mamata Banerjee said. After that, we saw Prime Minister taking a dig at the Chief Minister, saying that she is saying so do vote bank politics. Now after that, we see today that Kartik Maharaj have sent a legal notice to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, says that she was trying to defame Kartik Maharaj, says that Kartik Maharaj is not inclined politically, he is not associated with any political party and he is but a monk. And Mamata Banerjee, by naming this particular Maharaj, Kartik Maharaj, who is associated with the Bharatiya Seva Sangh, is trying to defame Kartik Maharaj. This is what we have seen has been said in the legal notice. Now Mamata Banerjee today once again issues a clarification, says that I was never against Ramakrishna Mission, ISKCON or Bharat Seva Sangha. They all respect me, they keep me in high regard. I also have my regard for all this institution. Says that I have problem particularly with this monk Kartik Maharaj, who is actually spreading the word of BJP. In fact, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee says that you are a monk, you are not doing your duty. Rather, you are going to places, visiting places and spreading the word of BJP. And I have no issue with you trying to spread the word of BJP. But when you do so, also wear the party symbol on your chest. This is what Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee says. Not only that, she doubles her attack on Kartik Maharaj, says that you are the one who was associated with the danga that has happened in Rajinagar ahead of the polls. You will remember before the polls there was a danga that happened in Rajinagar on the day of Ram Navami. Now Mamata Banerjee says that this Maharaj was associated with this danga and she has a problem with this particular Maharaj, who is not a saint but is politically motivated, and she has a regards for all the institutions.
All right. Now, Trinamool Congress, meanwhile, has hit back at the Prime Minister. Trinamool Congress says that whatever Mamata Banerjee has said, there have to be facts backing her statement.
Ours is a secular country. The democratic process, the multi-party democracy should be performed, should be practiced without linking it with the religion. That is the core sector of our democracy, strength of our democracy. And on the other hand, when Mamata Banerjee is advocating delinking religion from democratic process, Prime Minister is trying to link religion with democratic process. That is anti-constitution.
দেখুন, এটা আমার এই বক্তব্যের মধ্যে আসে না, সে তো এর উপরে আমি কিছু বিশেষ বলতে চাই না। মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় যা বলেছেন, আমি জানি কিভাবে তিনি এই সংগঠনগুলিকে সাপোর্ট দিয়েছেন, কেন সে তো অর্থ দপ্তরের থেকে সাপোর্ট পান তারা। আমি জানি তাদের কিভাবে সমস্ত ক্ষেত্রে কিভাবে তাদের সাপোর্ট দিয়েছেন, এবং যেটা উনি বলেছেন নিশ্চয়ই সলিড ইনফরমেশনের উপরে বলেছেন।
The BJP has also echoed same sentiments as were voiced by the Prime Minister today. They say that Mamata Banerjee is busy maligning institutions that only work for the welfare of the people.
कितना भी आइडेंटिफाई कर लेगा। आज सनातन की ताकत बढ़ रही है, भगवान राम की ताकत बढ़ रही है, पूरा देश आज सनातन के साथ में खड़ा हुआ है। आपको भी आज सनातन के सामने झुकना पड़ रहा है, लेकिन ऐसी धमकी देना, ये करना, आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए। आज जो लोग कहते थे राम पैदा ही नहीं हुए, जो कहते थे मंदिरों में लड़की चढ़ना, उनको भी मंदिरों के धक्के खाने पड़ रहे हैं, और आपको भी आगे धक्के ही मंदिरों के ही खाने पड़ेंगे। ये आज सनातन की शक्ति और मजबूती जो खड़ी हो रही है, इस प्रकार से मुझे लगता है कि सब राम की साथ है, हम भी राम की साथ है, और सनातनी सारे राम की साथ है। आप ऐसा धमकाने का प्रयास ना करें, ये लोकतंत्र की हत्या के बराबर है।
And one of the organizations that have been mentioned by Mamata Banerjee in their comments, the Bharat Sevashram has now issued a legal notice to Mamata Banerjee. They have demanded an unconditional apology within 48 hours. In fact, Swami Pradiptananda of Bharat Sevashram Sangh has said that 48 hours is the deadline that they are setting for Mamata Banerjee to issue an unconditional apology for naming him and alleging that some monks were working for the BJP. This matter has gone way beyond what Mamata Banerjee had said now, with Prime Minister himself picking up the cudgels for these institutions. The BJP, meanwhile, has been saying that the organizations have only been working for the welfare of the people, and the only reason why Mamata Banerjee has now taken to maligning them and even going to the extent of threatening them is because she has a particular vote bank to appease. And in the middle of all this, a couple of hours ago, BSS, the Bharat Sevashram Sangh, had issued Mamata Banerjee a legal notice. What they want is an unconditional apology. What they allege is that the name of Swami Pradiptananda has been maligned. What more can you tell us, Shreya?
Well, Swami Pradiptananda is the BSS secretary, is the secretary of the Bharat Sevashram Sangha. He is serving and looking after Aurangabad, Murshidabad and Nadia, in fact. Now, of course, Kartik Maharaj, who is also this monk, says that Mamata Banerjee should issue an clarification, should in fact apologize and give a clarification as to why she have made this comment. Remember, in her previous speech, Mamata Banerjee targets Kartik Maharaj, says that he is associated with political parties. Now, in this legal notice which the BSS have sent to Mamata Banerjee, it very clearly mentions that Kartik Maharaj is not affiliated with any political party. He is in fact not associated with the BJP party, and Mamata Banerjee, being the chief minister of a state, should take some responsibility in the statement she is making. She is trying to malign and defame Kartik Maharaj by saying what she have said. This is what the legal notice says. The legal notice also says that Mamata Banerjee should in fact issue an apology within 48 hours.
बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री इस्कॉन वालों को, रामकृष्ण मिशन वालों को, भारत सेवाश्रम के सन्यासियों को खुले तौर पर धमका रही है, खुले मन से चेतावनी दे रही है। दुनिया भर में इन मिशन से जुड़े वाले लाखों अनुयायी आज पूरी दुनिया में रहते हैं, और इनका मकसद सिर्फ और सिर्फ लोगों की सेवा करना है। बंगाल की सरकार ने उन पर उंगली उठाई, उनका नाम लेकर धमका रही है। इतनी हिम्मत सिर्फ अपने वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए, उन्हें साधने के लिए टीएमसी इतने निचले स्तर पर उतर आई है। इसे बंगाल की जनता का जरा भी ख्याल नहीं, लाखों लोगों की भावनाओं का ख्याल नहीं। यहां की मुख्यमंत्री मुस्लिम कट्टरपंथियों के दबाव में वोट पाने के लिए हमारे संतों को, हमारे महान संगठनों को सार्वजनिक रूप से गालियां दे रही है।